video.
Parang gusto ko yun. Bring me! Alam? Kabukbutong na ang tiniway mo dyan. Pero di ba? Ang very big siya. Baka lang daw ako, may para sa ako dito. Pero sa talaki ni Jerome. Ate talaga sa pool. Ay, ate, baka marami. Charot. Oh, sige, last! Bring me!
Mama, itagaan di pustisom. Pustisom mo, ipapam.
Rendezvous. Are you ready? Sulagot, are you ready? Oh, next. Your word is, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Yes!
Ilang percent? Oh, very good. That's it. Ah, joke lang. Spell the word. Ano ba? Ay, brainy ito eh. Saan ka nag-aaral, anak?
Wala.
What's solemn mean?
Last na
It's a
lang.
may isa mathematician.
Mathematician.
Pag nagbibingo ako, itong tagabasa ko ng gabi.
Lakadi. Kasi kasi
Spell the word. Ano? Are you ready na, baby?
Yes!
Spell canon.
Kunin mo daw yung upuan ni mama doon.
You want English or math? Numbers or letters? I'll give you a chance. Okay. You know how to add?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Yes!
So, 5 plus 3.
8!
Oh, very good. See? Born on December 7, 20. This girl is a child of Mr. and Mrs. Kabilana. She grew up with so much love and kindness. She is loved by everyone for her beauty inside and out. Her voice is an angel. Her smile bears no limit. Her heart is unafraid. Her mind is ready to try. She's ready for an adventure for the sake of fun and friendship.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we introduce to you the debutant with her
Ang miss ko ng ako.
Huwag kang iiyak.
Nagkakagaw. Ang pinagpaplo sa adang mo. Napapakabaho. Sila Cristo.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Neneng. Sapay na kumata. Sapay na kumata. Marapat mo iti. Ang yaman nga. Rapaap mo iti biyan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chelsea.
Happy birthday na po. Magpakabait ka na ha. Huwag ka nang po.
Sige na! Picture kayo ng dalawa!
Ano po ka?
Sa tabi niya. Picture kayo ni Kuya. O yan, tingin dito.
Look at the camera. 1, 2, smile.
Dito muna.
Next. Go. You give to Ate Bibi. Ayan. You give it to Ate. Go give to Ate Chelsea. Pwede nga kayo. You sit beside Ate Bibi. nahihiya din si Sen. Oh, yung picture with Mama.
Like that pickle pasta you invented at 1 a.m. But the music that defined your year definitely deserves to be shared. Check out your Spotify rap to discover and share. Like that pickle pasta you invented at 1 a.m. But the music that defined your year definitely deserves to be shared. Check out your Spotify rap to discover and share.
Next, we have Tita Myra de la Cruz.
Tita Myra. Next is Daddy Tito Ernesto. Next is Audrey. Kuya Liam. Yan na, si Kuya Liam. Ay, talaga naman, galing pang SM. Liam, you look at ate. Feeling ko dalawang Louie yan. Feeling ko talaga. Next on the list is Ninang Marikit Alcantara.
Ate Rona!
Next is Ninong Anthony and Ninong Kenneth. Mami Ellie Libador. Nandito si Mami. Wala po. Yan na si Mami. May proxy si Mami. Ninong Howling Dave. Next is Daddy Loreto Jr. Dance.
Sige na! Lukulong po madami! Last na!
Next is Ian Malua.
Ate ba lang iniiyak kayo? Ate, adi ko kayo. Ito ko pinig siya.
Next, once again, then Derek Panward. And for his last dance,